Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Naseer Sikandar, Director of Physical Education, Government Degree College, Kazi, Ahmed, District Shahid Benazirabad. We are going to here to study chapter number 3 and topic number 3 as well. The name of topic is Emotional Development of Child. It starts from infancy to childhood. Introduction. The word emotion is a derivative of the Latin word emovere, which means to stir up or to agitate or to excite. The mental thinking or feeling of a person at a particular instant of time, knowingly or unknowingly, is called emotion. Emotions are complex psychological and biological responses consisting of subjective feelings, physiological reactions, and expressive behaviors to internal and external stimuli. What is emotion? Emotion is the all-round state of the organism marked by increased bodily activity and strong feelings directed to some subject. Kimball Young and scientists, according to Crow and Crow, an emotion is an affective experience that accompanies generalized inner adjustment and the mental physiological states in the individual and that shows itself in his overt behavior. Emotional development. Emotional development is a process that a child develops from dependence to a fully functioning adult and applies to most life forms. Emotional development refers to the ability to recognize, express, and manage feelings at different stages of life and to have empathy for the feelings of others. Characteristics of emotions. Number 1. The core of an emotion is feeling. Number 2. Emotional experiences are associated with some instincts or biological drives. Number 3. Emotions are product of perceptions. Every emotional experience involves several physical and physiological changes in organism. The basic way of expressing emotions are inborn and to develop through maturation. Emotions rise abruptly and die slowly. Same emotions can be aroused by a number of difficult or different stimuli. Emotions have quality of displacement as well. Common emotional patterns in childhood. Basically, it starts from some sort of fear and then anger. After anger, it becomes converted into the jealousy, and jealousy leads to grief, and griefness leads to curiosity. And other one is joy, pleasure, and delight in the last. Kinds of emotion, positive emotions. There are two kinds of emotion that are positive emotion and as well as negative emotion. Positive emotion arise from the pleasure emotions which are helpful and essential to the normal development of individual, which termed as positive emotion such as love, amusement, curiosity, joy. Negative emotions arise from unpleasant emotions which are harmful to individuals' development, which are termed as negative emotions such as fear, anger, jealousy, guilt. How the emotions develop? According to Spitz in 1949, he observed emotions are not present ready-made from birth. Like any other sector of the human personality, they have to develop. Emotional development is due to maturation. Number 2 line. Not to either one alone. The stages of emotional development. It starts from infancy, then childhood, then adolescence, and after adolescence, in the last adulthood. During infancy, according to her, newborn infants have no differentiated emotional response but show only a generalized excitement. By this, she means to a specific reaction, even as responsive to strong stimuli, cannot be detected during the first weeks. Only very general and uncontrolled muscle reaction can be observed. This stage is over in a very short time, dear students. At the time of 3 months, the excitement develops into the distress and delight, and the distress dominates more. After 6 months, the negative emotions take the lead, and distress develop into the fear. disgust and anger. After at the age of 12 months, positive emotions enter into the field and delight and differentiated into the elation and affection. And at the age of 18 months, jealousy develops from distress and affection, which differentiates into affection in adults and as well as affection for children. During childhood, early childhood, which starts from 2.5 years of age up to 3 to 6 years. At the age of 24 months, delight was further differentiated into joy appears. At the age of 5 years, means 16 months, fear is again differentiated into shame and anxiety. Anger is again differentiated into disappointment and envy. From delight, hope is again differentiated. Thank you. Hope you students understand very well the topic emotional development, which basically starts from children's infancy up to childhood. It's all about the topic emotional development. Hope you understand very well. Thank you.